Hello guys, this is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to register your tin certificate online, which is your taxpayer identification number. As you can see here, this is a date of 09 July 2024. This is a new tin certificate that was issued by the Joint Tax Board. So without no further delay, let's dive into the video. As you can see here, if you want to get your tax identification number, so for your team, whether for individual or for non-individual, you are going to use your either CAC registration number or your business registration number. Let's see it for non-individual. You are going to need your, as you can see here, your organization type. You are going to choose business name. Registration number, you are going to use your business registration number, which is BN. For your CAC registration number, rather, your business name that has been generated for you from your CAC, which is your business name, you are going to enter it like this. Then it's going to automatically generate the business name for you. If you don't generate the business name, then you are going to type in the business name yourself. That's it. And then you are going to follow the prompt code and register everything that's follow. You are going to fill your email address, your phone number, and every other thing. For non-individual, you are going to use your BVN, your date of birth, your first name and your last name, and you are going to click on I'm not a robot, and then you are going to proceed and input everything. Let's now assume you have entered the everything and your request ID has been sent to you. Let's assume you have registered anything and your request ID has been sent to you, like this one right here, like this one right there, request ID, and you haven't gotten your tin. It's only your request ID that you have. You can just send the message to them via their help desk, or for better still, for prompt action, you can just visit the nearest tax revenue office in your state. In each state they have the tax revenue. Just visit them physically. It's going to be free. They are not going to collect anything from you. So you basically just submit the request ID, the phone number that you file in the application, and then your full name as you fill it in your tax return form online. So after filling everything, so it will be first out for you. It will be sent to your email address and everything. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. See you in the next video. Peace out.